Check out the rest of this video for the information. This is an amazing fan. If you work in the heat, you need to get it. Portable fan. It comes with a USB charger. You can plug it into a USB and then plug it into here and charge it. Look, you need to get a portable fan. It will cool you off. I gotta do my mustache. Stay tuned for a video on that. Us Portuguese hairy girls. But listen, you can clip it onto yourself, okay? Clip it on. Get that breeze. You can clip it in your back so you can cool the back of your hair, the back of your neck, okay? And then it comes with a strap. And then do this. And then carry it around your neck like this. See? And it has 3 settings, low, medium, and high. Okay? You need to get this if you're a cleaner, if you work outside, if you're working construction, if you work in landscaping. It's super easy. Clip it on, you're good to go. Look at that. Look. See? Nice breeze hitting my face. Keeping me nice and crunchified, cool when I have to work in hot homes that don't have air conditioning, that don't have fans. In the Pocono Mountains, we have lots of homes like that. If you work outside and you need fresh air so you don't get overheated, you just clip it on. Look at this. Clip it on. Good to go. Wireless. Super easy. And then you just turn it off. That's it. That's it. And then you plug it in and you charge it. So grab it with my link down below. I will earn commission. Thank you very much. So if you work in the heat, if you're a cleaner, if you work outdoors, if you do landscaping, painting, roofing, anything, and you need a fan, if you're going to a sporting event, if you're walking your dog and it's hot as hell out, look at this, and it is cold air, it's not hot air, it will keep you nice and cooled off. So use my link down below.